Flaws and benefits of facial recognition. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to become a full-time data scientist and artificial intelligence (AI) expert from scratch, then you are at the right place. Today, we will know about face recognition. Before diving into details, let's get to know what face recognition actually is. Facial recognition is a way of identifying or conforming an individual's identity using their face. Facial recognition systems can be used to identify people in pictures, videos, or in real time. Interested in face recognition's working? Most of the people are familiar with the modern technology of face recognition, where Face ID is used to unlock iPhones. Basically, typical face recognition does not rely on a complete database of photos to identify the individual's identity. It merely recognizes one person as the sole owner of the device and limits access to others. The implementation of facial technology systems is done in following steps. Face detection. In face detection, detection of the image is done by camera, where it locates the face, be it alone or in a crowd. Face analysis. Analysis of the image is done. Mostly it relies on 2D rather than 3D images because it can match a 2D image more conveniently over 3D images with public photos or those in a database. Features of the face are extracted where geometry is also read by the software. Key factors include distance between your eyes, depth of eye sockets, distance from forehead to chin, shape of cheekbones, contour of the lips, shape of the ears, shape of chin. Converting the image to data. Analog information transformation is done by the face capture process. It transforms it into a set of data based on the person's facial features. Basically, facial analysis is turned into a mathematical formula. This numerical code is called a face print. Just like every thumbprint is unique, each person's face print is also unique. Finding a match. Further, wards, face print is compared with a database of known faces. For example, 650 million photos are accessed by the FBI, and all these photos are drawn from various databases. If your face print matches in a facial recognition database, then a determination is made. Let's have a glance at further details. We will now have a look at the pros of face recognition. Wondering about pros? Increased security. On a governmental level, facial recognition can help to identify terrorists or other criminals. On a personal level, facial recognition can be used as a security tool for locking personal devices and for personal surveillance cameras. Reduced crime. Face recognition makes it easier to track down burglars, thieves, and trespassers. The sole knowledge of the presence of a face recognition system can serve as a deterrence, especially to petty crime. Aside from physical security, there are benefits to cybersecurity as well. Companies can use face recognition technology as a substitute for passwords to access computers. In theory, the technology cannot be hacked as there is nothing to steal or change, as is the case with a password. Greater convenience. As the technology becomes more widespread, customers will be able to pay in stores using their face rather than pulling out their credit cards or cash. This could save time in checkout lines. Since there is no contact required for facial recognition as there is with fingerprinting or other security measures useful in the post-COVID world, facial recognition offers a quick, automatic, and seamless verification experience. Faster processing. The process of recognizing a face takes only a second, which has benefits for the companies that use facial recognition. In an era of cyber attacks and advanced hacking tools, companies need both secure and fast technologies. Facial recognition enables quick and efficient verification of a person's identity. Integration with other technologies. Most facial recognition solutions are compatible with most security software. In fact, it is easily integrated. This limits the amount of additional investment required to implement it. Now it's time to know about cons of face recognition. Wondering about cons? Surveillance. Some worry that the use of facial recognition along with ubiquitous video cameras, artificial intelligence, and data analytics creates the potential for mass surveillance, which could restrict individual freedom. While facial recognition technology allows governments to track down criminals, it could also allow them to track down ordinary and innocent people at any time. Scope for error. Facial recognition data is not free from error, which could lead to people being implicated for crimes they have not committed. For example, a slight change in camera angle or a change in appearance, such as a new hairstyle, could lead to error. In 2018, Newsweek reported that Amazon's facial recognition technology had falsely identified 28 members of the U.S. Congress as people arrested for crimes. Breach of privacy. The question of ethics and privacy is the most contentious one. Governments have been known to store several citizens' pictures without their consent. In 2020, the European Commission said it was considering a ban on facial recognition technology in public spaces for up to 5 years to allow time to work out a regulatory framework to prevent privacy and ethical abuses. Massive data storage. Facial recognition software relies on machine learning technology, which requires massive datasets to learn to deliver accurate results. Such large datasets require robust data storage. Small and medium-sized companies may not have sufficient resources to store the required data. How many types are there? There are various types of facial recognition. Some important types are discussed below. Geometric-based. Face recognition algorithms classified as geometry-based or template-based algorithms. The template-based methods can be constructed using statistical tools like SVM support vector machines, PCA principal component analysis, LDA linear discriminant analysis, kernel methods or trace transforms. The geometric feature-based methods analyze local facial features and their geometric relationship. It is also known as a feature-based method. Willistic. The relation between the elements or the connection of a function with the whole face not undergone into the amount. Many researchers followed this approach, trying to deduce the most relevant characteristics. Some methods attempted to use the eyes, a combination of features and so on. Some hidden Markov model methods also fall into this category, and feature processing is very famous in face recognition. Appearance-based. The appearance-based method shows a face regarding several images. An image considered as a high-dimensional vector. This technique is usually used to derive a feature space from the image division. The sample image compared to the training set. On the other hand, the model-based approach tries to model a face. The new sample implemented to the model and the parameters of the model used to recognize the image. If you're interested in learning more about starting a machine learning and AI career, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. For further involvement, you can have a glance at our easy technical e-learning course regarding programming a face recognition using few-shot learning, which is going to be released this coming Wednesday. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.